In Korea.
Yeah. Yeah.
In Korea, what does a dog say?
Yeah.
In Korea, what does a sheep say?
Huh?
A sheep.
Meh, meh.
What does a pig say? What What does a cow say? What else? What else?
No.
Cat?
More.
Cat?
Cat?
Yeah.
Cat?
What about a gun?
Bang!
What else?
Exploder?
Mm.
Bang! Bang!
Mm. Sneezing.
Sneezing?
Sneezing. Achoo! H?
H.
A B C D E F G. What else?
What else?
What else?
T. Mouse.
Mouse? What does a mouse say?
Mouse. Mickey Mouse.
I don't think mice say anything
Dog,
in America.
dog.
Dog.
Quack, quack.
Oh, quack.
You're quack.
Quack.
Oh.
Oh.
And chicken.
Quack, quack.
Quack, 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 quack.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
No. Korean. Tokyo. Tokyo.
Really?
Because in morning at the 5. Tokyo.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. Yeah.
Quack, quack.
What else?
And bird.
Uh-huh. Tweet. Tweet.
What?
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Tweet.
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Oh my god!
What else? What else makes noises?
I interview?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
What do you want? I said bang bang.
What are you eating?
Dandy! Wow, dandy! Dandy 만세!
What are you eating?
This is 맛있는 delicious. Delicious thing.
Yeah, what is it?
Secret.
Secret?
Yeah. Korean traditional food.
In America, it looks like beef jerky.
Beef
Cow.
This is
It is
beef pork?
octopus.
No.
오징어.
No,
No?
octopus cousin.
Squid. Squid.
Delicious.
Dried squid.
절대 안 먹는 거.
Some spicy.
Spicy dried
But
squid.
Lindsay not eat.
No.
Doesn't eat.
Lindsay does not eat squid.
But David can eat.
Yes, your new name.
My name is David.
Now.
Hi.
It is David.
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 Okay, sorry. No, you were right. Yeah.
I'm David.
Yeah.
And David's mother.
David's mother.
David's sister.
David's sister is trying to hide.
She's very fat.
No. You need. What is your English name? No English name?
Tommy.
No. We will name you tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow.
Robot.
Robot is not an English name.
Jamie.
Oh, I like. My best friend in America is Jamie. My best friend's name.
Ginny.
Genie? Genie?
랩
Oh? Genie? Oh, that was cute.
Please delete me.